Hello, and welcome to today's video where I'm about to show you how I made over $1,000 in commissions in only 1 week. My name is TJ and I'm a full-time digital marketer, and on my channel you can find tutorials on how to make passive income online. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, and if you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button below because I'm gonna be making more videos like this one in the future. Also, click that notification button so you don't miss out on any important videos. So let's get started. I watch hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to make money, and I always try to replicate the same method. However, none of it worked. I spent so much on advertising, but I got no results. I said to myself, there's gotta be another way. So if you're watching this, you probably have been stuck before, or you're currently stuck, and just can't get to that point where you're getting leads and getting those sales. I've been there, and I completely know what you're feeling. But you gotta understand that nothing happens overnight, and you need to be patient. You gotta put in the work every single day. The only advice that actually works for me is test, and test again. I've run so many ads online, and the only option is to test and see what works the best. After many errors, I was finally able to get the good results. Here are my results from the past month. So on Clickbank, I made, let me calculate this for you all together. So it's above, so $160 plus this, 181.85. So it's $942.46, which is a lot because before I didn't make any of that. And I think I only spent $50 or $60 on running ads. And the other offer that I'm promoting, I made over close to $1,500 by running ads on Facebook. I've tried running ads on Facebook so many times, and I was banned couple of times actually, and my account got shut down. So I made a video on how to run ads on Facebook properly, so you can check that out if you're interested and if you have been in a similar situation. So how have I got to these results? Well, the one program that helped me to achieve these results is Legendary Marketer. I bought the program last year, but I actually didn't start implementing those strategies at the beginning. But my New Year's resolution was to actually focus and try to implement those strategies that were given to me and actually make those commissions. And it worked. What I really like about this is that it gives you the tutorial on how to actually drive traffic, which is the most important part. It's easy to build funnel and easy to build a bridge page and everything, but how to drive traffic, that's the most important thing. When you join Legendary, you will go through the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, which is an action-oriented experience that will prepare you to start a business and begin earning money online in 15 days. And trust me, the program is great. It only costs $7, and along the way, you will have multiple calls with your business coach, and you can ask him or her whichever question you had or any concerns that you might have. I also went through all the videos on how to drive traffic successfully on Facebook. There are over 10 hours of material just for Facebook ads. And this is the part of Legendary's traffic Rolodex bundle. It's one of their products. It has videos on how to drive traffic on any of the social media platforms. So whether you are interested in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it. So as you see, the results that I got are real, and you can do it too. I was stuck as well in the beginning, but the thing is that I didn't quit. I was depressed in the beginning, but I didn't quit. I tried again. So if you want to get started and change your approach to your business, you can sign up with Legendary. You can find the link below in the description. It only costs you $7, and you can try to see if this is for you. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.